Hey you guys, it's Miracle. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I turned the downstairs into a mini carnival for my mom's birthday. So right now I'm just showing you the sign that's saying the carnival opens at 1 p.m. And then we have some peanuts, the flattest sliders ever, and some sliced caramel apples. We have some funnel cake sticks from Walmart. Those things are the bomb, especially if you put them in the air fryer so they get nice and crispy. Then I have this little how many gumballs are in a jar type of game. All the stuff I had at home, I just found some felt balls and put them in a jar and had them guess, and that was really funny. Then we have some mini corn dogs and some smiley face french fries. And I'm going to show you how I made this banner right here. This was easy. I was actually going to buy a banner, then I was like, why would I do that with all this construction paper that I have? So I took construction paper, cut it into triangles, and then pierced holes in it, and then just strung it on the string. So that was pretty cute. Got some caramel popcorn, regular popcorn. I put like a bunch of popcorn all over the shelf and then laid one out for aesthetics. Cause you know, I feel like when you go to the carnival, there's popcorn everywhere, all over the ground, popcorn hanging up, popcorn laying down. So that's what I was trying to go for with this. I think it turned out pretty cute. Okay, so I made this cotton candy display. That was pretty easy. So I bought some dollar cotton candy from Walmart. Tied it in a cellophane bag. A lot of these things I already had, so this was virtually free. The only thing I paid for was cotton candy. I hot glued some stickers onto this canvas because stickers don't stick on canvases, so I had to hot glue them. And then I found a burlap string, hot glued that onto the canvas, and then using like the cutest little baby clips, I used that to stick on the cotton candy, and it turned out pretty cute, if I do say so myself. This little holder for the pretzels is from Amazon. It's really cute. I'll link it below. We got some nacho cheese for the nachos. Right here was supposed to be a big carnival sign. I was so mad, y'all. Ooh, the sign didn't come in, but it would have been cute. I got some drinks, frozen raspberry lemonade and fruit punch with some cute little straws. Got a little, got the little cheap tablecloth. That's the seating area, because you know when you're at fairs and stuff, they always have the little cheap tablecloths on there. Got some cornhole. I think that's what it's called. And then right here, I just decorated our pool table and put a little happy birthday banner and some balloons on top. That really pulled everything together. Found some random beer bottles, found some random cups, made some games, and I wrapped the tables in Christmas wrapping paper, and it turned out pretty good because I didn't have any more tablecloths. So that's just a tip. And then my niece Kayla put all these on the ceiling, which really made the room festive. So we had a great time. Everything was really yummy and fun. Look at my mom ready to turn up. So we had a great day. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Okay, go ahead. Bring them back down here. Go ahead, back. Bring them down here.
Okay, so make sure your hands are behind your back. You cannot move them while you're eating. You can squat, you can do whatever you want to do. You just have to eat both donuts.
I'm not eating both.
That's how you win. You have to eat both donuts with your mouth. No touching your hands.
Hand behind your back.
Don't touch the donut or you automatically lose. And whoever eats them both wins. So, on your mark. Oh, any questions?
No.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Eat it, Jake! Mom smacking. Oh, we have a winner!
go out a little bit.
What's up?
Oh yeah, swallow it.
More than what I got on the floor. Just down.
That is true. Chew it though, Kayla.
She still got in her mouth.
That's a hard one to look.
Oh.
Whoa. See her?
Here. Wait, don't go back and get it. Here. Come here. Okay, throw it.
Here.
There's just a right
Oh. Go. Go ahead.
Okay.
Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater.
Huh? I messed myself up. I'm gonna get too ticked. Just keep